Hey guys, I'm Tina, one of your chemistry tutors here at ACE. And today I'm going to go through gas laws, which is a big part of Module 2. So, first off, how do I remember which variables are associated with which law? Well, you can remember these 3 funny little statements, which helped me during my prelim and HSC. So the first is PT, so pressure and temperature, is Gay-Lussac's law. And I can remember that by using this here. So my personal trainer is Gay. So PT, Gay-Lussac. Then TV, so temperature volume, is Charles's law. And I can remember that by using Charlie and the Chocolate Factory on the TV. So TV, Charles. And then the third one, VP, is Boyle's law. So the vice president is a boy. So VP, boy. Cool? All right, so now that you have the variables down pat, how do I remember the relationship? So is it inversely or directly proportional? Well, the way I like to do it is by starting with the ideal gas law. So that's PV is equal to nRT. So if I take my variables, so for example here, if I want to figure out what the relationship between P and T are, I can simply just ignore the others and put it into a constant. And that makes sense because when you're varying things to look for the effect on the other variable, all your other variables should be constant or control, right? So by replacing it with a constant K, I can see that P increases when T increases. So pressure and temperature are directly proportional via Gay-Lussac law. So that's how you figure out gas laws, and I hope that helped. See you next time.